Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix this issue in Windows 11. So here is the first solution to fix this glitch, which is you just have to right click, go to personalize and change your theme. It should be fixed after this. Now let's check it. But it's not. But don't worry. Second method is to restart your PC. And let's see this now. Let's check it again. And guys, there you can see it's fixed. So this is how you can fix this issue on your PC in Windows 11. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.